with my tiny hand.
You saw three high school kids.
What's that?
You saw three high school kids walking the trail.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
I think I'm only missing 2.
Okay.
I got 17, so it's hard to keep track.
Five.
Come man.
Audrey, move to the other one next to it. That's this thing we could see each other.
Please, Mom, help.
I'm coming.
I got it. No, actually, you.
I'll go to this one. You go to the other one. I see blackness. The playground. Audrey!
Coming.
Go! I see you.
All I see is screen. Hello, Chloe.